time to go thrifting. Let's go see if we can find any sewing supplies. Let's get a lucky cart. Okay, we gotta go to the back. Oh, they have games. I always look at the games. I can't help it. Jenga Boom. See if there's any Christmas gifts in here. We just played categories the other day, actually. Haven't ever played that game, and it's an old game. Oh, that's an oldie. For sure. Oh, it's looking slim pickings for the fabric. Oh my. Yep. I don't know what this is. It's really thick fabric. What's this? That looks like batik. It's cute actually. For $1. I'll take it. Oh no. Oh, craft book. Let's see. Vintage craft books, quilts. There's always quilt books, but there's never like clothing. Oh, this is heavy. American quilter. Embroidery. Scrapbooking. Family circle. Nothing. We just have Velcro. And that is it. Oh, this is great. All this felt. You can always look at the sheets. See if there's anything. If there's any quilts. Or this. They must have had a sale or something, and I missed it. I like this little guy. He's only $1. Actually feels like good quality. Not like a dollar store mat. My daughter loves orange. Well, we have lots of lights. Ooh, orange ones. Ooh, ribbon. A really nice tree. Well, you win some, you lose some. That one, I don't find the best stuff there. I don't know. Sometimes I find that like the crafters tend to go to one place more than the other. I don't know. It's weird. So it's more miss than hit at this one location. I did get this fabric. It's a half a meter by 113 centimeters. Like, what does that even mean? Why are we doing this? We live in Canada, so we have to go by the metric system. But anyways, I just thought it was pretty like fall-y. Like, and I don't really have fabric that is in this color. So yeah. And then I did end up getting this because sometimes I take my big mat off of my table and I just need to like trim an edge or something, and then, or I can have this one like next to my my sewing machine or something. So yeah, I have a circle one, but like the circle one's technically smaller than this one, and it's not, I don't know. Anyways, doesn't matter. So I just got that, and then I bought this orange sweater for my daughter, and I thought it was in really good shape. It's thin, which is good because she doesn't like thick stuff because she's a warm baby. But so thank you so much for joining me on my little thrift trip, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.